Hey, first can I notice on your and my it's our dip. So Windows 11 got update on many stuff, including our favorite feature from Windows 10, drag and drop, and many more feature. And also stick to the end, so there will be some more extra stuff I will be showing if you wanna know. So let's get started. So the first thing we got updated is start menu. So you might be thinking, what is this? So yep, you can make folders on Windows 11 pretty smoothly, and yeah, I mean it's pretty like useful. You don't have like five different pages of this pen stuff. There's like only one page of like folders and stuff, and something that you don't want to sort out. And also you might be wondering why I have like 4 rows of pen stuff and like 1 row of recommended. So if you go to settings and start menu, so there will be some more features and stuff. So there's like three like preset, you can't add more. So there's like three. One's like more pins and less of recommended. The default is what you guys mostly have, and more recommended. So this is like if you wanna like do some only working stuff. So I think this is better, but I like more pens because this is my everyday working PC, and like playing games, making videos and stuff. So I like the more pens one. And next we have improved in Windows Explorer, so you can add more like tabs like Google Chrome. So you can like one tab here, one tab here. So it's like pretty good. You don't have like 7 different instances of Windows Explorer. There's like one, and there's like multiple in this. So the next feature is drag and drop. So if you've been using Windows 10 for a long time, and when you switch to Windows 11, right, the first thing you've noticed, you can drag and drop to like different stuff like into Photoshop or Illustrator or like any video editing software. So now you can just take any image and open it pretty smoothly. It takes the time because my PC is not the top of the line, but yeah, just drag and drop stuff. You can also like in every single software you can like go and import and stuff, but who does that? Okay, there's drag and drop on Windows 11. This is the most like the feature which was not letting me move to Windows 11, but now I can. So there we have drag and drop on Windows 11. Like this is not like an external software, this is like officially in Windows 11. Next we have better task manager. So if you've been using PC, I mean we all open task manager that for like checking temperature, or if you are getting lag, if you are checking what process it's eating. So this is on dark mode, and there's like better visualization. And also there's a taskbar settings, you can go and you can like do some stuff. There's like minimize on use, so if you like minimize it, this thing will still be here, and you can like right click and restore it. And there's like always on top, and yeah, you can like check it. The UI is really good. Next feature we have is a bit of wallpaper related. I don't know how many people will use it. I'm not using it, but it's a feature. So if you go to picture and there's like a Windows spotlight thing, so if you go there, there will be a random image every time. I don't recommend it using if you are using like okay specs PC like me, and even like low end PC or even medium or even like high end if you like do gaming stuff, because it does take internet and CPU usage a bit. Maybe it will be minimal, but yeah. So then we have this snap layout management. So if you go to like this thing, you will get like snap settings, but now if you like drag it to the top, there will be more settings here. So I can just choose any, and the other tabs will be shown here. If I had a third thing open, this will be here. So yeah, it's a nice feature if you do multitasking and if you have a single monitor. Even me as a dual monitor setup, I still use it. So yeah. So then we have a pre-installed video editor that I don't know so much about, but it's it's a okay editor, not like Premiere Pro level. It's a quick editor like you have on your mobile devices and stuff. So actually I got my intro and outro deleted, so I was finding an outro and I got an outro from here. I think this will be my new outro, I mean probably in this video too. This is a full like template. I have done zero thing in this. Like this one I was checking, this is a visualization video, like you see. So there's multiple like this videos and stuff you can edit. It's a quite a light editor. It doesn't use that much of CPU GPU because there's not many things to do about it. But if you need like quick little tweaks on a video, or if you are new to video editing, I think that's pretty good. And it has like many templates. It's come pre-installed. I think it was pre-installed before this update, but I think this like templates and stuff, these are new. So there's improve do not disturb feature. So if you like click on this thing, there will be this notification panel. You can like click this do not disturb and this will turn on. There's like also settings. If you want to customize it, you can also turn on and off like do not disturb as you wish, but I usually keep it turned off. And there's also focus settings. So it was here before this update, but this bar is new, so you can like turn on a focus session right away. It will be shown how much it has left and stuff. So you can also set a daily goal on how much you want, and you can also add like Microsoft to do tasks, Spotify if you want to listen to songs. So yeah, I'm gonna stop it off. And we have our last Windows update, major update, that's accessibility and caption. If you use a Samsung phone or stuff, and like any Android, or I think it's on most of the phones, there's like this live caption. You have to download it separately. I have turned it off because yeah, subtitles and stuff, captions will be shown on the top of the screen or the bottom of the screen, how you want it. So if you are up for it, you can go and check this out. And now we have some extra stuff. So if you don't know, there's a app called Phone Link. If you know. So what this does is connect your phone with your PC, so you can like check your messages, check your photos, check your apps. You can also like screen mirror it. You can do so much stuff if you have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. I mean, only if you need Bluetooth. So you can also like call someone if you want from your PC. I mean, calling works for WhatsApp currently if you from WhatsApp PC, but if you have Bluetooth on your PC or if you have a laptop, you can like call anyone from here. So this is a software from on Microsoft Store, on some, I don't know who this is. You can like install it, and whenever you wanna preview something, you just click and space bar it, so it will show you what that is, when it's last modified, what's its size, and if it is a zip file, you can see. Okay, this is what I didn't knew it was like this. So you can also like check any videos and stuff. Also like you can just preview anything. So by installing it, it's pretty useful. Like I've heard there's like this type of feature on Mac, and if you have a Samsung device, these two apps will be useful for you. If you don't want to like your phone app, if you have like connected to your device, it drains a bit of battery. And if you just want to like share files, Phone Link doesn't allow that. So if you want to share files, you can use Samsung Flow. Connects is your Samsung device. If it's not connected, you can just scan for devices and it will show up here. Yeah, you can also like sync your clipboard. You can like view your phone screen from here. If you have like Wi-Fi on your PC, or if you have a laptop, you can use your phone's hotspot. You can also like sync notifications. I mean, you can see notifications, and there's like more settings and stuff. You might want to store it. You can also like connect two Samsung devices at once, so you might want to check that out. And if you use Samsung Notes, so you might have seen there's an option on Microsoft Store to like download Samsung Notes, but you cannot like use the cloud download it. It shows like not like supported and stuff. Maybe you need a Samsung like book or something. So there's a way around to do it. It's not like cracked and stuff. It's you can do it from terminal. So right here, this will be on the video description. If you type like winjet install Samsung, okay, this is not mail, notes. So if you like search it, it will go a bit of loading and it will download it. So I've already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna download it again. So this is Samsung Notes. All your stuff will be like sync over here. If you don't want to use Samsung Notes, you can also use like OneNote, but it saves your Samsung Notes as images, not like in text form. You can just use this, or of course you can also use Notion. But if you're already using Samsung Notes and don't know what to do, and you might have known the OneNote thing, it's pretty like it's a pretty hassle to use OneNote with Samsung Note. So these were the features of Windows 11 that we got, and there's some extra feature at the end, as I said. So if you didn't know about it, let me know in the comment section down below. If you know about more stuff stuff, more like extra stuff. So feel free to share it because I will like to try those out. Yeah, I think that is it for this video, guys. If you like the video, be sure to like it, dislike it if you do, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.